Hello everyone, I am Suresh Kumar, lecturer in English from Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Pandori Nijna, Jalandhar. I am here with my teacher first entry in the category Innovative App. I have prepared an app under the name EBC Jalandhar, that is English Booster Club Jalandhar. This app is registered on Google Play Store. Why it is registered on Google Play Store? Because most of the teachers and students carry Android phones with them. So it is very easy to install an app and use it for their convenience. This app is available on Google Play Store. The name of that app is EBC Jalandhar. You can see here EBC Jalandhar app. When you install it, you can open it. It will show an interface like this. You will see so many links there which are given in this app. The first link is EBC videos. These EBC videos are prepared by students as well as teachers. Earlier, they are found in WhatsApp groups in scattered form. So, it was felt that these videos should be organized in a platform. That is why this EBC Jalandhar app is developed. First, you will see the videos by teachers. These are the videos prepared by teachers, lecturers in English or other teachers. Here the links of their videos are given. You can see them. These are teachers. Any teacher can see, any student can see these videos in order to get ideas or to get some motivation. These are the these are the YouTube links which are given here.
Said life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. Or we can say our life is what.
So all these videos are available here which will definitely help our teachers and students.
Hi, dear active and talented members of English Booster Clubs of different government schools of Punjab.
In the same way, EBC videos by students. The EBC videos prepared by students and shared in different groups, WhatsApp groups, are given here. These EBC videos are especially related to senior secondary classes.
Hello everyone, I'm Kajal of 11th standard at Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School, Kurdpur, Jalandhar. Today,
So all the videos shared by our students are given here. Any student can visit this app and can watch according to his or her convenience and to get some ideas. And then another link is EBC Meet. Some meetings are organized related to English Booster Clubs. So some glimpses of those meetings are given here. Then the next link is study material +1 and +2. So first the study material of +1 general English, and then +2 general English, and then elective English +1 and +2 elective English. These links are directly interlinked with the Punjab Educare app. You will see the material that is available there for the concerned class. Student can easily get there. Next is the language lab ideas. Earlier the department shared a PDF related to English language lab setup. Some ideas, some other related material is given here, how to set up an English language lab. So teachers can get the help from this PDF in order to set up an English language lab in their schools. And then the English listening lab pics. There are some language labs already prepared by our schools. So the pictures of those schools are given here. Anybody can open the link and see the pictures in order to get some ideas how to establish an English language lab. These pics will really be very beneficial for students as well as teachers. And then a creative corner link is given where the creativity of students is shared here in the form of videos.
Hello everyone, I'm Kajal of 11th Standard at Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School, Kridpur, Jalandhar. Today, I'm going to
So these videos are shared by our students. All these videos are full of creative ideas, full of innovative ideas. These videos are very creative. If you watch, you will really learn so many new things here. And then the list of DRPs English, district resource persons who handle their blocks, the list is given here. And then another link is given, knowledge feed, where some videos are shared by the department or given here. These are also very beneficial for our students as well as teachers. And then a feedback form is also placed here. Anybody who wants to give feedback or contact us can visit this page, visit this link. Another thing is that YouTube channel is created, that is EBC Jalandhar, where all the videos of students and teachers are uploaded. Anybody can see, anybody can watch according to his or her convenience. And then the Google Play Store app link is also given here. And then if anybody wants to contact in order to send his or her video related to EBC, can send here at this email ID ebcjalandhar@gmail.com, and the WhatsApp number is also given. And if you want to see all these things on a desktop, the website is www.ebcjalandhar.com. So they can visit that website and watch all these things. So this is an initiative to organize all the things here, EBC videos by students and teachers and other related material. And I think this is a new kind of thing, very innovative in its concept, because I think I have never seen any website or app that is specially related to EBC. So here we have organized all these things in one app, and many other things will be added soon. Thank you so much.